How to transfer memory from Claude to Gemini, complete tutorial 2-minute version. Want to switch from Claude to Gemini, but keep all your preferences and conversation history. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to transfer your memory from Claude to Gemini in 2026 in just 2 minutes. Google launched the import memory feature on March 26, 2026, making it incredibly simple. You have two options depending on what you need. Let me walk you through both. Method 1. Quick memory import takes 2 minutes. Step 1. Open Gemini at gemini.google.com. Step 2. Click Settings and Help in the bottom left corner. Step 3. Click Import Memory to Gemini. Step 4. Gemini shows you a prompt. Copy the entire prompt. Step 5. Go to Claude and start a new chat. Step 6. Paste the Gemini prompt into Claude exactly as is. Step 7. Claude generates a summary of everything it knows about you, your preferences, communication style, work context, and everything else. Step 8. Copy Claude's entire response. Step 9. Go back to Gemini and paste the response into the import field. Step 10. Click Add Memory. Done. Gemini now remembers everything Claude knew about you. Method 2. Full chat history import takes 5 minutes. Step 1. Go to Claude, click Settings. Step 2. Click Privacy. Click Export Data. Step 3. Claude sends you an email with a .zip file containing every conversation you have ever had. Step 4. Download the zip file to your computer. Step 5. Go to Gemini, click Settings and Help. Step 6. Click Import Memory to Gemini. Step 7. Click Import Chats and select your Claude.zip file. Step 8. Upload the file. Gemini imports every single conversation. Step 9. Your chats appear in Gemini's left menu with a special imported icon. You can search through them and continue them with Gemini. Important information. Memory import is only available for personal Google accounts. If you are in the UK, EU, or Switzerland, this feature is blocked due to privacy regulations. You can upload a maximum of 5 zip files per day, each up to 5 gigabytes. Only text transfers. Images, files, and generated content do not import. Imported data may be used for Gemini training according to Google's privacy policy. Your original Claude conversations stay intact. Import creates a copy in Gemini without deleting anything from Claude. Pro tip: use quick memory import if you just want Gemini to know your preferences and style. Use full chat history import if you need to keep your old conversations searchable and accessible. Most people do both. Quick import first to get instant personalization, then full import for complete chat history. So to recap, open Gemini settings, click Import Memory, copy the prompt into Claude, copy Claude's response, paste it back into Gemini for quick import. Or export your Claude data as a zip, upload it to Gemini under Import Chats for full history transfer. If this video helped you transfer your memory to Gemini, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI migration guides. And drop a comment telling me which AI you switched to. See you in the next one.